Tonight is about celebrating the successes we've had, the journey you've been on, the learning curves you've had, and the support we've had from all the teams to make you what you are today. It's been an amazing journey. We started very small, a lot of people in COVID come all the way here, and we've built this on bit by bit, bringing on the countries at a time. A lot of support from the countries themselves, from the people who've been helping us, and they're all here around the table. I can only say a big thank you to you, our customers and vendors, for supporting us through this. It's been a journey.
You can be very, very proud of that. You have come a long way. So this party tonight is really your party. I'm very proud of you. Enjoy the night. Thank you very much.
You rock. What else can I say?